All right, guys, so we have the RunStar. This is their smart body fat scale. I'm super excited. So I'm actually going to show you how to download the app and actually run through it. So let's go ahead and get in here and scan it just like we normally would. So we got a QR code here. We're going to scan it, open it up in Chrome. See how quick this goes. We're going to download the app. It's going to come up to the App Store. We're going to do that. So we're going to register on the app. We are going to search the device, turn on your Bluetooth and my devices, and we're going to be connecting it. So we're going to go into Bluetooth now. Okay, it's on. It says hi. We're going to be finding the RunStar R15 is what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and refresh Bluetooth. Okay. Get this to pop up. And sometimes it does take a minute, and it could be my phone right at the end of the day, but we're learning it together. That's what I love about this. There we go. We've got it. Now, once we have that part, we are going to step on the display to start the measurement. So we got RunStar, which is the app. Okay. And we're going to go here, my devices, add a device. Boom. We're searching for it. Connecting the R15 right here. Okay. And become device owner. Connect, just like that. You're going to do connect successfully. So that makes it on there. So we're good to go. Okay. And go to measurement. Here we go. So we have the R15 now. We are connected. There's my app on the floor. So let's go ahead and step on. It's going to be locking in on the app just like that. Okay. We're going to pull this up. Confirming it's me. Continue. We're going to be able to do our electrodes. And now we can see all the details on the app. That is pretty sweet right there. So it has my BMI, has my weight, has my body fat percentage all popping up here. Again, we can do this a couple different ways. It can show up on the screen or show up on the app. But I love that the app is super accurate. So watch this kick in right here. So just like that, I'm going to pull up in the electrodes. It's getting my measurements. There we go. You can hear it talk to me. It's got my name going on the thing here, which is super sweet. Has my age. And then there you have it. It's got all my details just like that. Shows my body fat percentage, shows my muscle, shows my heart, which is going to be a couple different pieces, and the BMI right there. This is super sweet. This has got everything. It took a minute to get it going, and now it says bye because it's off to go ahead and preserve some of the battery. Guys, this is pretty sweet. Now, I love the app. The app is what makes it different. You're able to run this without the app and with the app. So that's what's super important here. As you can see, it's all on here, rip-roaring, ready to go. Guys, get yourself one of these RunStars if you're looking to take charge of your weight loss journey and everything you have going on, because this will help you stay in tune and stay tracked. Check it out.